All right, so the rose water spray getting a little low, so I decided to go with this, so I can possibly like just try to maybe rub it into my scalp. Still hesitant on using any type of oils, but that's one thing. All right, so the rose water, and then let's go. You already know we got the peach crush. The peach crush. Speaking of peaches, man, I said it's nice to see you. You know what I'm saying? With a pretty face and all that. Boy, I've been seeing a lot more in person. I've been seeing a lot more. You know what I'm saying? Those in person. It's just nice to see the pretty faces. Peaches are just you be seeing on the gram. Ooh, you be seeing it on the gram. That one. So we about to be at a month. We about to be at a month on Wednesday. Wednesday is. So I went with this one because it was it cooler. I went with the brand. You see Bow Wow, I went with the brand. All right. Then on the front it say one size fits all. You see what it say? Let me make sure I want that thing. One size fits all. But then when you come to the back, it say one size fits most. So which one is it? Bow Wow out here lying. I just went with the silky joint. What's this one? Jersey. One had jersey fabric, one had velvet fabric. It was $1 difference. I just went with this one. Make sure which one's on. So I'm gonna try to put this one on. This was like one of the last things I was gonna put to like need or whatever. Just because cotton is okay. Polyester is they was like, nah, that's a synthetic fabric, so polyester not gonna whatchamacallit. So supposed to have a silky satin, but it's satin. That's supposed to be on the right here. On this inside supposed to be satin. Outside, I think it's a jersey fabric, so seems like a little lightweight or whatever. The turban, okay. The turban is like pre-tied. It's like pre-tied. So let me just try to put this on. Let's see here. So all you gotta do is boom, put that on like that. Put that on like that. Hey, it fit though. It fit. And then, now I'm not sure how this one's supposed to tie up. I'm not sure how this one's supposed to tie up. The other one said you're supposed to twist it or something. You're supposed to twist and then hold up. Let me try to find this joint number. I'm confused. Should I go like this? Should I go like this and just pull it front and then do it again? Pull it front. Whatever. I mean, it's there. It's there. So now from here, we got enough time. We got enough time. This is going to be Questo e Soggetto. Yeah, it's already cut too. It's already cut. Questo e Soggetto. What subject is this? 492. Yeah, it definitely fits. I'm good. I'm comfortable. Yep. Yes, sir. I went with comfort. And I mean that is like the AI glasses. I would have had to struggle and finesse, but I would have struggled and finesse. It was nice getting that Wendy's last night, but I don't want to do it too many days in a row. I'm having fun doing this. Getting like the stuff I need and whatnot. Like the boots, the pants. The turban still go with the aesthetic. We good bread though. We good bread though. It's another. Oh yeah. Basically, so I'm gonna try to see about the AI glasses. It's on the list. But right now, if I'm gonna be comfortable for the weekend. We can have pizza all weekend. That's why I was gonna be trading up. Comfort. So yeah, I just went with we got rose water. You see, I wouldn't be able to get the rose water, the turban, or pizza if I would have had goddamn AI glasses. And you know I had to finesse. I just don't. I'm still trying to figure out, but just a little smarter way. This is questo è soggetto 492. This is subject 492.